Now, the pursuit of trading profits online is absolutely epic. If you look on YouTube, there's a constant stream of strategies, and traders are chopping and changing every other day of the week. Now, I can tell you, if you don't understand what you're doing and how the market works, and if you don't have a trading process and structure, you are going to be bitterly disappointed because you're not going to make any money. Now, there is an alternative, and I'm talking about our intensive trading workshop. Over the course of the 5 days, I will transform not only your trading, but your performance. And I absolutely back myself. If you're not 100% satisfied by the end of the workshop, we will refund your money. So what have you got to lose? Now, I've been trading for 35 years, and I know exactly how the markets work. Using a combination of our proprietary trade execution tools, in particular Primetime Pro, and our trading courses, I will have you tuned up within an inch of your life, and you'll know exactly how the markets work, how to analyze the markets, how to identify the best trading opportunities, and most importantly, how to execute those trades. Our 5-day intensive trading workshop will completely transform your trading. So I put it to you, what have you got to lose? You can mess around for 1 or 2 years online, or you can come to our 5-day intensive trading workshop, get fully prepared for a long-term profitable trading career. If you have any questions, contact our team and I'll personally respond to your questions. If you seriously want to make money out of the markets, well, invest in yourself and sign up for one of our workshops. I look forward to personally working with you. Good luck and happy trading.